Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. Today we are going to learn about small letters. Okay, how to write small letters? Let's ready to learn. Take your notebook, students. Now, first letter small a. Start from the middle and make a curve. Touch the bottom. Next, go to the middle again and draw a standing line downwards with a small curl at the bottom. Small a. Next letter small b. Start from the top and draw a standing line downwards. Next, go to the center of the line and draw a right curve touching the bottom of the line. Small b. Next letter small c. Very simple to write this. Start from the middle. Draw a curve till the bottom. Start from the middle. Draw a curve till the bottom. Small d. Start from the middle and draw a small c. Go to the top. Draw a standing line downwards with a small curl at the bottom. Small e. Start below the middle, making a sleeping line and continue to make a curl at the bottom. Small e. Small f. Start from the top, making curl and continue to draw a standing line down. Next, go to the top. Draw a sleeping line across. Small f. Next letter small g. Start from the middle and make a small c. Then go to the middle again. Draw a standing line going down below the bottom with small curl. Next letter small h. Start from the top and making a standing line to the bottom. Then go to the middle, making curve touching the bottom of the line. Next letter I. Start from the middle to make a standing line and go to the top. Add a small dot above the line. Small I. Next letter small j. Draw a standing line from the middle again down. With a small curl. Next, go to the top. Add a small dot above the line. Next letter K. Start from the top and make a standing line to the bottom. Next, from the middle, make a downward standing line to the left. Then make a downward slanting line to the right. Small k. Next letter small l. Start from the top and draw a standing line. Touch the bottom with little curl at the bottom. Next letter m. Start from the middle and make a standing line to the bottom. Again go to the middle and make a curl, touch the bottom. Make one more curl in the same way. Next letter small n. Start from the middle and make a standing line to the bottom. Go to the middle and make a curl, touch the bottom. Small n. Small o. Start from the middle and make a small circle to the left. Next letter P. Start from the middle and move below the down. Then go to the middle, make a half circle to make the line at the bottom. Small p. Next letter small q. Start from the middle and make a small c. Next go to the middle again. Draw a standing line to the touch below the bottom. Small r. Start from the middle, standing line below the bottom. Again go to the middle, draw a small curl towards the right. Small r. Next letter small s. Start from the middle and swing to the left. And create a curve. Now swing to the right. And create another curve to the bottom. Small s. Next letter small t. Start above the middle and draw a standing line with little curl at the bottom. Then go to the middle and draw a sleeping line across. Small t. Next letter small u. Start from the middle and draw a standing line till the bottom. And draw a curve and other straight line to the bottom. And make a small curl. Small u. Next letter small v. Start from the middle and make a slanting line downwards. And then make a slanting line up to the right. Small v. Next letter w. Start from the middle and make a slanting line down to the right. And then make a slanting line up to the right. Now make another slanting line down to the right. And lastly make one more slanting line up to the right. W. Next letter X. Starting from the middle, draw a slanting line towards the right. And then go to the middle, draw a slanting line towards the left, cutting the first line in the center. Next letter Y. Start from the middle, draw a slanting line till the bottom. Again, go to the middle and make a slanting line down below the bottom. Small y. Next letter Z. Start from the middle and draw a sleeping line towards the right. And then make a slanting line downwards to the left to touch the bottom. Now again draw a sleeping line at the bottom towards the right.